dorsal side, OPS, Android motherboard interface, front interface, 3-in-1 switch bottom, remote control light, 3 USB dual channels, 1 touch, 1 HDMI, 1 Type-C, preposition built-in speakers, magnetic writing pen, 3-in-1 switch bottom, start up and shut down, turn off the screen, turn off ops. Click the custom application icon to add an application in the system to the main page. Expand the sidebar. Click the system setting icon to pop up the system setting menu. Boot channel. You can set the channel that the system enters by default after booting. OPS boot up. Turn on boot. Power on boot. Power on standby. Power on memory. USB camera settings. Smart power bottom. Password of screen lock. Digital password and gesture password. No operation standby. Wireless network. Wired network. Hotspot setting. Network status. Color temperature adjustment. The color temperature mode supports 3 types: standard, cold, and warm. Timing switch. Timing on, timing off. You can set the schedule boot time from Monday to Sunday. You can set the schedule shutdown time from Monday to Sunday. Storage and application. Application information. Storage space. Time and language. Date and time. Automatically update time. Set date. Set time. Set time zone. 24-hour system. Currently supported languages. Switch multiple input methods. Preset input methods. Gboard. Sogo. Android keyboard. Restoring factory settings will delete all operation records and save content, and restore the device to the factory state. Click the About device. You can view the information of the machine, system upgrade, and Windows System Restore. Source list. Swipe inward on the left or right edge of the screen to call up the slide sleep menu. Click the command icon to enter the command mode, and write and mark the current screen. Click on the volume icon. You can drag up and down to adjust the system volume. Click drop-down icon. The system screen will be reduced by 1/3. Click the drop-down icon again, or click the blank area above to resolve the screen display. Click the voting machine icon to enter the voting machine application. Click the timer icon to enter the timer application. Click the screenshot icon to perform full screen screenshot, freeze screenshots, and other operations on the screen. Click the one-key lock screen icon to quickly enter the lock screen password setting. Click the screen recording icon to open the screen recording function. Click the start button to start the screen recording. Click to end the screen recording. The file will be automatically saved to the built-in storage. Smart eye protection, touch sensing and taking pictures. Swipe up on the bottom edge of the screen to call up the upside menu. Click on the writing board to enter the writing interface. Single point writing. Color switching. Pen thickness switching. 2-point wireless zoom, multi-point movement, and back of hand erasing. Multi-point writing. One-key screen clearing. The shape tool to draw different shapes. Click on the color drawing board. You can switch the canvas background to the color when you click on the drawing board, which can scan the code to take away the whiteboard content and also encrypt the content. And you can customize the digital password. Click on the Welcome Message application icon to enter the main page of the application. Select, cut, copy, delete, save, and other functions of the content of the edit box through the Edit menu. Click the QR code in the lower left corner of the screen, and the QR code sharing page will pop up, and the user can scan the code to get the signature hardware detection. Memory cleaning. Click the multi-screen interactive icon to enter the screen projection interface. iPhone screen projection. Turn on the mobile Wi-Fi and connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot display on the interactive flat panel. Pull down the toolbar and click on Screen Mirroring to mirror the screen. Android mobile phone screencasting. Open the browser, scan the QR code, download and install the Android screencasting client. Turn on the mobile Wi-Fi and connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot displayed on the interactive flat panel. Open the Install Android Screen Projection client and click on the Connect Wi-Fi to Cast screen. Use a dedicated projection device to plug into the USB port of the interactive flat panel. Press the button on the front of the projector to turn on the projector. It shows that the pairing is successful. Unplug the projector. The projector is plugged into the computer that needs to protect the screen. Open my computer, find the corresponding driver, click Install, and you can cast the screen after the installation is completed. Three fingers to follow. The default icons from the voting board from right to left are Back, OPS, Setting, Writing, Breadboard, Home, Custom. 5 fingers to turn off the screen and brighten the screen. USB flash drive screen lock function. USB flash drive lock function 1. Lock touch. USB flash drive lock function 2. Lock the writing board. File management. When inserting USB flash drive, the USB flash drive name will be displayed. You may select different paths and file types to view the corresponding files. Front USB. Dual system follow. Front Type-C interface. Transmit the computer screen to the large screen through the Type-C interface to realize synchronized display. Upgradable Y-series products. Thank you.